Hi cats, today we're playing, what's this game called again? Oh, don't press the button number, part 4. So I'm trying to escape without getting frozen. No! Did you just realize I got 3 hitlers? Just kidding, I don't like it. I just think it's fun. Ooh! Oh no, I went too late. I'm too distracted. Okay, hello Bacon. No, Bacon! No! Bacon died! I had to hurry. Ah! Yes! I had to go now. Oof. Why was I creaking? Let's go! Yay! Next, help find Santa, find the presents. Oh, okay. Hey, that's one that I wanted. Aww. Hey! That's not fair! Okay, I'm kind of back. Ah! Don't get hit. I have no idea what we're doing. We're like super safe here. Ah, never mind. No. Wait, what? I don't even see this guy anywhere. Is he a hacker? He's frozen. 2 players 1. Of course. Then, now what? A storm? What do you mean a storm? I don't see nothing. Wait. Go. No. That doesn't even work. My leg. What? Who's in there? Me don't hear nothing.
Who's that? The door!
Oh, that's what it is. The person exploded ketchup on me. What do you mean, huh? Ah! Aren't we not supposed to move? Or faint? Without jumping? Ah! Oh, we had to just get up there. This is easy. I'm good at all these. Oh, we're supposed to jump down. I thought it's move. Come with me, classmate. Now what? Ah! No, I didn't pay attention. That's it. We're at the next part. Grab the correct color. I need it. I need a color. No! No! Dang it! Now I have to watch the other people. I'm gonna pause for y'all. Wait, where did my headphones go? What the heck? This is silly. Okay, now they're back. It seems like everyone's having a good job. Hey! What is going on? What is going on in my character? What the hell? What the hell are you doing? My goodness, you're the one that caused this. because so sick. One mysterious drink. Looks interesting. Is anything gonna happen? Nothing seems to change. Let me get one more. Hey, I want it. Oh, I can jump high. Cool. Oh, hi, Mr. Dude. Well, I'm gonna go on a high place. You're the one that caused all of this. Whee! I has to have my super jump. Oh, hell no. I can't move. Dang it, I'm gonna lose my power. Don't fall off and avoid obstacles. What does that mean? Ew! It looks like I'm in the sewers. Ah! Wee! Hey! I'm falling off! No! No! I can't see anyone! Hey! That's not fair. Should I buy like some snacks here? Let me just find like some stuff. Oh man, I don't have enough money for it. What the heck? Why are they trying to put the balls on me? Just kidding, not that balls. Ah! I spawned right in the pyramid. No! That was too hard. Game! You suck. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, cats.